What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how you can mount in your iPhone in the cheapest way possible and a pretty cool way as well. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you get notified when the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android, and a lot of unboxing accessories for your iPhone as well. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca, and today we're going to show you this little mount that I got from AliExpress. Basically, it's a little iPhone mount, pretty cheap actually. So if you guys are looking for a cheap iPhone mount and this is the product that you want, it's pretty cheap. Cheap feel. The material is pretty much plastic all around, but the cool thing about this is when you put your iPhone to the bottom, it'll hug it at the same time. So it's pretty ergonomic design. It's pretty cool. This just goes to your vent, so beware if your car doesn't have this kind of venting where it's slanted or maybe the vertical ones. This will not work for you, but for the most part, most cars would be able to use this. So just for example, you just take this, you just put this on your car just like that, and on your vent, and once you mount your phone just like that, you just drop your phone down and it'll hug it just like that. So it's a pretty cool way to use it. You'll be able to charge your phone on the bottom as well, as you could see there. There you go. Be able to throw in your cable just like that, right in the bottom, and that's how you would charge. And at the same time, it would hug your phone. Pretty cool like that. And that's it. I'll link this down below, and as you could see, this is pretty cheap. I think I got it for $10. It's pretty good. So I'll link a few things if you want to take a look at it. It's all affiliate links, so you should check that out and help out the channel as it goes. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing for your iPhone mount. Be sure to check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Share this to your friends who are too cheap to buy those expensive ones, expensive mount for your iPhone or any Android devices or your smartphone. And this is the best way so that you will be able to mount your phone. Hope to see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.